Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can withdraw money from Exodus to your bank account, or is it even possible or not. So let's find out. So previously you can use FTX to exchange your cryptocurrency in the form of dollars or pounds or whatever currency you can go with, but as of 2024 FTX is no longer supported in the Exodus, so you can no longer exchange your Bitcoin or any other currency to your US dollars and then exchange it to your bank account. So after the FTX scandal, there is no FTX option. It is completely removed from the Exodus. So right now there is no such a way where you can directly withdraw money from Exodus to bank account. Maybe in the future there is some kind of way that you can withdraw money to directly your bank account, but unfortunately right now there is no such way. So hope this helped and see you in the next video.